Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. On this video we're going to be welding a Varex muffler onto my cousin Brad's FG XR6 Turbo. You guys might have seen the video where we're servicing it. Yeah, we're just doing this and it's going in for a tune soon, so that'll be quite interesting. Hopefully this COVID shit dies down and we're allowed in to watch it get tuned, get some videos of that. That'll be fucking awesome. Yeah, so we've got to quickly head to Bunnings. I got to get a recip saw to cut it off. I'm just going to start to set up and get back to you guys once we're all back here and ready to film. See you guys then. I might start it with a grinder.
Not even getting in.
It's kind of just starting to slice it. But if I make an initial slice of this, I should hopefully start to go through like butter.
Spark it up, please. Smells like a cut.
Yeah, might as well. So we've cut everything up, mocked up the Varex cannon for where it looks best, where it will line up with the old exhaust, compromise between the two. So now I'm going to cut a bit of pipe to go in between and tack weld it in, then unbolt everything, weld it out of the car, weld it up good, put it all back in and pray everything lines up like it should. So back to a time lapse. applied, all done. We just finished up the mount of the hanger. It's sitting pretty nice at the moment. Brad's going to start it up and go through the switch so you can hear the difference. So yeah, we'll get on with that. So that's the Varex closed. Yeah, man, that tip, like if you stand here,
That's way pretty.
that's so nasty. Like, if you stand here, man, look how good that tip actually looks mint.
Yeah.
Alright, so you heard the clip of it first up and running and testing how it sounds. So now we're just going for a drive to see what it's like. Good thing is it still sounds like it did before, which is great because this car sounds very, very unique. Can't just boost it just yet because it needs a tune. Falcons are known for boost spiking or creeping when you've got an aftermarket dumping cat on it. So we're just playing it safe, don't want it to blow up before it gets tuned. Yeah, flick the switch and see what it's like driving with it quiet. So I don't know if you guys can hear that on the GoPro, but it has pretty much gone dead silent. We'll see what it's like when he accelerates after the T-junction. See if it gets a bit more noise. It's so far for...
It sounds stock.
Yeah.
It's like crazy, but...
Yeah, it's fucking... It's good. You can get away, you know, when you take your fiancée in the car. It'll be nice. She doesn't have to deal with the drone or anything. Pressure.
Too much pressure.
Yeah, there's not enough flow for the turbo. So there we go. We're going to drive by Brad's car so you can hear it as he leaves. Hopefully it's not windy and should sound good. But yeah, I'll wait till he turns around. That turned out absolutely shit, so we're get another one.